Hey guys, welcome back to FW Garage. If you've been following along, if not, thanks for checking this out. So this is going to be part 3 of the teardown. I've done some work off camera, so I'm going to kind of catch you guys up real quick. So I took out pretty much all the electrical stuff, battery box, wiring harness, just to get a bunch of that little tedious stuff out of the way, folded some stuff over here. As you can see, it's all back here. So different pieces and parts, but that was the wiring harness out. So today, or in this video I should say, I'm going to focus on getting like the rear stuff out. So the shocks, wheels, maybe get the swing arm, drop it out. And same with the front, get this stuff stripped off the front. Because basically I just want to leave this in here so we can figure out a plan to get this out, which is something I haven't quite figured out yet because this thing is super big and heavy, so I got to figure out how we get it out. But yeah, so let's just get to it. I'm going to start pulling some stuff off here, and I'll stop along the way and update you guys. Remember those brass drifts I talked about before? Well, this is where they come in handy. Getting axles out, because I know it's not going to mush in the threads or mess up this axle. There we go. I just wanted to stop in and say, it's back. Years back, what I'm doing now, I actually put a jack under the wheel to support it and bring it up. Because before the axle had tension on it because the wheel was hanging down. So now I loaded everything out so I can pull it out a lot easier. So that's what I'm working on. Finally, see, I got the back wheel off, but I have a bit of a weight issue right now. You can see by how far it's tilted forward, so I gotta get some weight off the front here. Alright guys, I'll bring it back in here. Sorry for the garage heater, but it finally decided to kick on, so you probably saw it some of that time lapse. We got the back stuff all cleared off. Front part, I was going to fully disassemble it, I was like, why not just roll that out, and then, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all that yet, so I'll just leave it together so it's not scattered over the garage. So I think the next big step is start to figure out the plan to get this out. So I'm not sure if I have to take these plates off. If I do, that means I gotta take the swing arm and the suspension off. But I'm gonna see if I can do it without doing that first, because I don't plan on using any of this stuff for the choppers, which I'm still grinding down, as you can see over there. So I'm gonna see if I can get it by leaving these on. If not, then I'll have to pull them off. But so we got a motor mount there, then we got two in the front. We got one down there, and then one right there. So those are the four things got to come out for this to come out. I'm still not sure how I'm going to lift this thing out. I may have to look to get a cherry picker or something, because this thing is 4-cylinder and weighs a ton. So thanks for checking it out. I'll be doing another video. Sorry this one's late. It's just been a busy week. So thanks for checking it out. It's FW Garage.